So we're just approaching big changes on the harvest table as we switch over to all the autumn goodies and well, away from the things that need lots of sunlight to grow. So we'll have a quick look. Last of the apples. So now we've only got stored apples, nothing fresh off the trees anymore. But they're still nice, lovely in fact. And we'll have those until the end of the year probably. Starting to finish turnips, loads and loads though of yak on now, so they're a really nice sweet root veg to have in the evening meal. Loads of beetroot, loads of carrots, loads of potatoes, loads of onions and shallots, loads of red cabbages, just a few Savoy cabbages, loads of, can't remember what they're called now. Fennel. Not many cauliflowers left. I think I've got two cauliflowers left now, and then that'll be it until sort of April, May time next year. Last of the calabrese, and again sort of April, May before you'll have calabrese again. Loads of salad onions, loads of dried fruit, still lots of peppers actually, at least the same again basically, those 2 buckets, loads of leeks. And just starting to finish probably the New Zealand spinach, quite a bit of true spinach, loads and loads of all these beautiful baby leaf beetroot and chard leaves. Really happy with those. Lots of Asian greens, and that's the very last of the cucumbers. Lots of tomatoes actually, but I'm just picking the tomatoes as I need them rather than picking them and putting them in the salad boxes, because it's just nicer to have them fresh off the plants. And it's only Debbie and I. We don't have enough tomatoes now to share with other people. So we're picking probably about 10 a day, something like that, just as I say, fresh for salads. And we've got loads of sort of frozen and roasted and in preserves and things. So that is it. That's my weekly table. Keep on filling it. And yeah, still plenty to share with the kids. My name's Steve, this is the Outgrow channel. I'll see you soon.